Hi, my name is Ken Moody. I'm here to demonstrate a planet positioning machine that I've designed and manufactured. Each planet is represented by a picture of that planet mounted on a disc that is connected to gears by a set of tubes. The third planet out from the Sun, which is the planet Earth, has an indicator on it that points to a dial that shows the month, and each month has a series of hash marks which are represented in 5-day increments. By turning the dial on the back side, the indicator on the planet Earth represents the astronomical events for any given date for that particular year that the dial is on. Starting off with the astronomical events for 2007, I'll start off with the actual events. Starting in November 8th of 2006, the planet Mercury, which is in transit, it actually goes over the Sun. That happens on November 8th. Moving into the year 2007, on February 10th, Saturn is in opposition. Then on the 23rd of February, Mercury is in inferior conjunction. Moving on to the latter part of the year, in June, Jupiter is in opposition on June 5th. And then we have the planet Pluto is in opposition on the 19th. And then Mercury is in conjunction, again inferior conjunction, on the 28th of that month. Moving on to the month of August, Neptune is in opposition on the 13th. Venus is in inferior conjunction on the 18th of that month. And then moving into September, Uranus is in opposition on the 9th of September. Moving on to October, Mercury is in inferior conjunction on the 23rd of October. And then moving ahead to December, on December 24th, Mars is actually in opposition. Then moving on to the year 2008, Saturn is in opposition on February 24th. You can see by moving around to the back side of the machine, which is the year dial, there's an indicator, and it also is representing 200 years there. And you can set that indicator for any number of years, and also looking on the front side, which you can select your date of the month or the year that you want to select. Moving off to the side of the machine, you'll notice a series of gears. Each one of the planet is connected to a 122th gear by a set of tubes, each one of the tubes running on the inside of each one. And the gears are calculated for each adjacent month for the planet Mercury and the planet Venus. The actual gear ratio between the two is 0.391493585. What you need is a set of gearing. You have a set of drive gears over a set of driven gears. So in this particular application, I picked 4 drive gears and 4 driven gears to have that ratio between each planet. And giving for an example, the planet Mercury, the drive gears for the planet Mercury are 120, 34, 24, and 18, and the driven gears are 39, 26, 37, and 120. And those are driven gears, and it's a ratio between the drive over driven, which gives you that actual ratio. And the actual ratio is 0.391492084, and the true actual ratio is 0.391493585, which is really close to each one of those ratios. Each one of the ratios beyond that is calculated using the first ratio, so you don't have accumulated error over the course of the 9 planets or the year dial also.